Here I have OUKITEL WP23, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. Firstly, you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button battery saver. So by tapping it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set up a schedule for it based on percentage. And you can also set it to turn off automatically when the device is charged above 19%. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.